This is about growth. You're not here just to learn tools. You're here to build freedom, earn with your skills, and solve real business problems. This course is designed to take you from just trying things to confidently creating your own automations and getting paid for them. In this lesson, you'll explore 5 essential skills that allow you to earn through AI automation freelancing. These are the skills that help you solve real client problems, deliver measurable value, and build steady income online. You'll see how each skill grows from beginner to professional, and how this journey doesn't just increase your income, but strengthens your long-term career. By the end, your skill graph will look completely different because you'll be different. You don't need to be advanced in everything right now, but you do need to be honest about where you're starting from. Skill 1: AI literacy. The first skill is AI literacy. The goal is to understand and use AI tools with intention. At the beginner level, you might say, I can ask ChatGPT simple questions. You use basic prompts mostly for chatting or experimenting. At the professional level, you understand large language models, prompting strategies, memory, temperature, and tool usage. You don't just talk to AI, you use it to solve structured, real-world tasks. You'll learn what LLMs are and how they respond, how to write prompts that produce structured and useful outputs, and how to use AI as a functional tool instead of just a chatbot. Skill 2: automation thinking. The second skill is automation thinking. The goal is to see how processes work step by step and organize them clearly. As a beginner, you might know the steps of your task, but everything stays in your head. You can describe what you do, but you can't map it out clearly. As a professional, you can break any routine into a structured flow and instantly spot logic gaps or inefficiencies. You'll learn how to break complex actions into small tasks, how to map workflows using visual tools, and how to identify repeated actions and decision points that can be automated. Skill 3: business thinking. The third skill is business thinking. The goal is to understand how businesses operate and how your work creates real impact. At the beginner level, you simply follow instructions without understanding the bigger picture. At the professional level, you clearly see how your automation improves revenue, saves time, increases efficiency, or improves client satisfaction. You'll learn the basics of business models and value creation, how to identify real business needs, and how to align automation systems with business goals. Skill for freelancing. The fourth skill is freelancing. The goal is to turn your abilities into income. At the beginner level, you might say, I have skills but no clients. You're unsure how to present yourself or where to begin. At the professional level, you understand how to deliver value and get paid online. You build a portfolio, create client flow, and develop pricing strategies. You'll learn how to join freelancing platforms, present your skills effectively, communicate with clients confidently, and close deals professionally. Skill 5: mastering N8N. The fifth skill is mastering automation tools, like N8N. The goal is to build real systems that solve real problems. At the beginner level, you can press run on a ready-made workflow and see it work. At the professional level, you build complete flows from scratch to solve client challenges. You think in triggers, conditions, actions, error handling, and dynamic data. You'll learn the building blocks of workflows, nodes, and connections, how to modify templates, and how to create fully customized automation systems from the ground up. Your future skill graph. By the end of this course, your skill graph can look completely different. You'll build confidence one step at a time. These 5 skills form your new professional foundation. This course develops them step by step through action, not passive watching. Don't try to master everything at once. Focus, practice, repeat. You don't need to be great at all 5 today. You just need to begin, and we begin with automation.